Right, just been for the MOT, which has been delayed by 6 months due to COVID. Had a bit of a reprieve there, although the bike hasn't actually been used anyway, so it's basically stood idle for that time, or longer. Been working from home, so haven't had to do the daily commute of 40 miles. Which I'm a bit surprised it's actually failed its MOT, because the only advisories on the previous year were for the rear hub bearings, which were replaced. And if I can, I'll show you the amount of free play there is on the suspension unit. I'll have to set it up on the set the camera up on the tripod to do that. I think you might be able to see it, and it was a bit of a surprise to me when I saw how much movement there was. Like I say, I thought that would have been picked up on the previous year's MOT on the advisories, but there we are. Anyway, I will set up the camera on the tripod and hopefully show you the amount of movement. Right, now on the tripod, I've got it set up on ABBA stand here. You literally cannot detect the movement when the rear wheel is on the ground, because obviously all the force is coming down on the wheel and it's taking up all the slack which is in the lower link. I'll just move the swing arm to see if you might be able to spot it. Give it a go. As you can see, and can probably even hear, there is an awful lot of movement there. If I stick my finger here, you can actually feel it. It must be, I don't know, probably 2 mil of movement there. I'll move the camera so you can get a closer shot.